Okay, so we have to prove that the summation from r equals to 0 to n of negative 1 power r, negative 1 power r ncr upon r plus 3cr is equals to 3 factorial upon 2n plus 6. I know, it's frightening. Okay, so r plus 3cr, that thing is the same thing as r plus 3c3. So let's deal with this thing first of all. It's like ncr upon r plus 3c3, right? So that's supposed to be equal to, I think, ncr, uh, maybe I should write it. No, let it be. So upon, it's like r plus 3 into r plus 2 into r plus 1. And maybe I can write it in a different manner. So like I can write it as n plus 3 into n plus 2. I mean, like I should actually first of all divide this by that thing. So equal to 1 upon n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1, into, so n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1 upon r plus 3 into r plus 2 into r plus 1. I mean, that's just for symmetry, because ncr, that can be written in a similar fashions, like into n minus 1 and so on. So like r of those, and then it's supposed to be r plus, sorry, r minus 1 and so on. So like eventually till you get 1. So here you got r terms and then plus 3 terms. So you got like r plus 3 terms. It's almost like r plus 3 factorial over there. And then this thing, it also has r plus 3 terms, and it starts from n plus 3. So I think it's almost like n plus 3 choose r plus 3, and in fact it is indeed the same thing. So like it's 1 upon n plus 3. I'm just gonna call this a, because it's a mouthful to speak. Okay, and then this like n plus 3 cr plus 3, right? It's like that. Okay, so now what? So it's going to be the summation from r equals to 0 to, wait a second, so when it's 0, can you still do that thing? I'm like r plus 3 c0, wait, no, 3c0, that's the same thing as 3c3, but not exactly in that manner. Is it like, is it really r plus 3, r plus 2, r plus 1? Wait, there's a problem with this thing. So like when you put r equals to 0 over there, r plus 3 cr, that turns out to be 1. But this thing r plus 3, r plus 2, r plus 1, that's going to turn out to be something like 3 into 2 into 1, which is not what we wanted. I mean, like, yeah, that kind of doesn't make sense, Rasid. Okay, so that's a problem. Oh yeah, sorry for that. So it's supposed to be upon 3 factorial for sure. So like just multiply this thing by 3 factorial. Okay, that's nice. So like multiply this thing by 3 factorial over there as well. So still I'm just going to call this big constant as a. So like 3 factorial upon n plus 3, n plus 2, n plus 1. Going to call that thing as a, right? And in fact I can write it in a better way, but whatever. Just gonna call this a, right? And you got n plus 3 cr plus 3. Okay, so it's a summation from r equals to 0 to n of negative 1 power r. Take this constant out, so it's supposed to be n plus 3 cr plus 3, right? Anything else? Well, no, that's it. So this is going to be equal to a, and then when you put negative 1 power r, it's like when you put r equals to 0 over there, you're going to get n plus 3 c3, then negative of n plus 3 c, well, I think c2. Okay, no, not c2, sorry, c4. Yeah, that's more like it. Plus n plus 3 c 5, and then so on. It's like n plus 3, I mean negative 1 power n for sure, n plus 3 c n plus 3. Cool. So like it would be better if there would be some more starting terms, because the c0, c1 and c2 terms are kind of missing over here. So I'll just inject them inside. So it's supposed to be, well, let's see, n plus 3 c3, then minus n plus 3 c2, then positive n plus 3 c1, and negative n plus 3 c0, right? So and then so on. So like n plus 3 c n plus 3, right? So this thing, like this complete thing, would turn out to be 0, right? But these terms are like missing, and we just cannot completely add them up, so we have to subtract those terms at the same time. So we have to subtract these things, like negative n plus 3 C0, positive n plus 3 C1, and negative n plus 3 C2. So this is going to be like A into well, n plus 3 0, that's just 1, n plus 3 C1, that's supposed to be minus of n plus 3. Yeah, and then this thing is supposed to be positive n plus 3 into n plus 2 upon, well, 2 factorial is just 2, sure. So this is going to be equal to A, and then, well, let's see what can we do over here. So it's 2 minus 2n minus 6, right, plus n squared plus 5n plus 6, correct, upon 2. So it's supposed to be A upon 2 into, okay, so let's deal with this thing. So like n squared, then 5n minus 2n is 3n, so like positive 3n, and then minus 6 plus 6 cancels, it's just 2 over there. So it's like A by 2 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Hey, guess what? A also has some of those terms. Like it's supposed to be 3 factorial upon, well, 2 into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3, right? And that thing into n plus 1 into n plus 2, well, that's going to cancel with that thing. So this cancels, this cancels. So it's just 3 factorial upon 2n plus 6. Is that what we wanted? Yes, that's exactly what we wanted. So that's it. This question is also done. I will see you in the next one.